Hi everybody, I'm Jake and this is Jane, and today we are going to draw a fish. Let's get started. Start off with a construction shape that it's an oval. An oval just about in the center of the page. Nice, nice, nice. And then we're going to draw a triangle that's a little angled like that. These are all construction lines, so you don't have to draw them super. Don't worry about erasing them. They're construction lines. We're going to erase them later. There. And next, let's start in, well, let's do the fins. Next, we'll just draw a triangle like that, but don't connect the top. Nice. And then a little L shape, like right there. And let's start on the eyes next. Draw another oval that's a little bit. Its base is kind of like on the top half of the oval. So if there was like an equator running through this oval, it'd be up like that. Yep. And then we're gonna draw the other eye. This other eye is gonna go like this, and it's behind this eye. So you don't draw this part right here. Just leave it right there. Okay. Next, we're going to draw the mouth. Take from this eye, draw kind of it's almost an L. It's an L with its back is kind of arched. A little arc in its back right there. Well, maybe if you turn on its side, it's a shark fin. Oh, I forgot to give keep your paper way over here so you're on the camera. Forgot to give the fish the black of its eyes. Now you'll notice if you continue this line up, like right there, you'll give the fish a smile. I'm gonna put a little extra line right there. Okay, and then let's give it the little fin. Imagine you have this fish has a shark fin like this, but we're not going to draw him with a shark fin. Just imagine that shark fin and then give him like a U shape, another U shape, another U shape, and like that. So it's kind of following that shark fin. Or you can freestyle like Jane's doing and just kind of give him a mohawk.
This would sort of be like what? Like a fin of like an angelfish.
Angelfish fin. Okay, cool. And don't forget the gills. The gills are just kind of, not parentheses, they're little,
They're, I missed
I think I want
angelfish.
I think I want to go 2. Only 2.
No, for me, I'm erasing that because angelfish, they're sort of like a triangle.
Okay.
So like they have like a giant triangle head.
Nice. Okay, and I'm gonna give my fish little eyebrows. Fish don't have eyebrows, so if you don't want to draw eyebrows in your fish, you don't have to. Some other nice things you could do is to add you could add lines on the fin. You can go in and erase some of these construction lines now. More lines on the fins. And there you go. Is your fish ready for some color?
Yep.
Cool. All right, get your mighty coloring fists of power out. Ready? Get your fish in the center. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whew. Nice job. Nice job. Oh, I like your little friends you've added. Is that a purse?
It's sort of a book bag, fishy backpack.
Nice. I get it. They're going to school. Nice. I had some white color pencil on mine because, there's no rule against combining markers and colored pencil. It's whatever works. Yeah. Hey, Jane, I got a joke for you. What do you call it when you cross a fish and an elephant?
I don't know.
Swim trunks.
Ah.
On to this week's artist recommendation, I'm going to recommend Calvin and Hobbes by Bill Watterson. Growing up, he was one of my favorite cartoonists, and what I really love about Calvin and Hobbes and Bill Watterson's art is just the energy he puts into each of his drawings. There's just so much life, even though it's really simple shapes, but he really captures the gesture and just the life to each characters. They're just in nice poses, and just the imagination of Bill Watterson is just on another level. This is a fun one. This is actually from an exhibition of his work, and you get some commentary in there too. So if you have all of Calvin and Hobbes' books and you don't have this one, I'd recommend this one if you're a big fan. You can see some of Bill Watterson's other artwork besides Calvin and Hobbes and some of his influences and stuff like that. But yeah, that's Bill Watterson is my recommendation of the week. And that's it for this week. Thanks for drawing along with us. If you enjoyed it, it would be great if you would like and subscribe. That really helps out to grow the channel and helps other people to learn more about drawing and have fun with us. All right? See you next week. Bye.